What's up, everyone? If you're a professional tattoo artist or just starting your tattoo journey, choosing the right tattoo machine can make a huge difference in your line work, shading, and overall performance. Today, I'm bringing you the top 5 best tattoo machines of 2026, featuring cordless, professional-grade tattoo pens that offer power, precision, and long battery life. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen Kit QP001. The Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen is a lightweight and compact rotary tattoo machine designed for both beginners and professionals. It comes with a built-in battery and supports most cartridge needles. This machine is known for its smooth operation and low vibration. It performs especially well for lining and shading, making it a versatile option for daily studio use. The cordless design gives artists full freedom of movement. Pros: lightweight and ergonomic design, smooth motor with low vibration, cordless convenience, compatible with most cartridges. Cons: battery capacity could be better for long sessions, not ideal for heavy color packing. A great budget-friendly cordless tattoo pen, perfect for artists who want portability and reliability without spending too much. Number 2. Mast Fold Pro Wireless Rotary Tattoo Gun, MY031. The Mast Fold Pro is a professional wireless tattoo machine featuring adjustable stroke length and 2 replaceable batteries for extended tattoo sessions. This machine stands out for its flexibility. The adjustable stroke makes it suitable for lining, shading, and color packing. The powerful motor delivers consistent performance even during long sessions. Pros: adjustable stroke length, dual batteries for long runtime, strong and stable motor, comfortable grip. Cons: slightly heavier than basic models, higher price range than entry-level pens. An excellent choice for professional tattoo artists who need versatility and long working hours without interruptions. Number 3. Mast Racer Pro Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit. The Mast Racer Pro features a 4.2mm stroke, dual adjustable e-give, and 2 batteries, making it ideal for precision tattoo work. This machine delivers exceptional control and responsiveness. The adjustable soft and hard e-give allows artists to fine-tune needle impact, making it perfect for detailed lining, shading, and realism tattoos. Pros: 4.2mm stroke for powerful performance, adjustable e-give system, dual batteries included, high precision and control. Cons: learning curve for beginners, premium price range. A top-tier tattoo machine built for advanced and professional artists who demand maximum control and precision. Number 4. Dragonhawk L3 Complete Cordless Tattoo Kit. The Dragonhawk L3 is a complete cordless tattoo kit featuring 7 adjustable stroke lengths, 2 batteries, and the M-Core motor. This machine is designed for artists who want one machine for everything. The adjustable stroke range allows smooth transitions between lining, shading, and color packing. It's powerful, stable, and reliable. Pros: 7 adjustable stroke lengths, strong M-Core motor, complete kit included, suitable for all tattoo styles. Cons: bulkier than minimalist pens, higher learning curve. A fantastic all-in-one tattoo solution ideal for professionals who work on multiple tattoo styles. Number 5. Mast Fold 2 Pro Tattoo Gun, P076. The Mast Fold 2 Pro is a premium wireless tattoo pen with real 7 stroke lengths, 2 2000 mAh batteries, and the advanced M-Core motor. This is one of the most powerful and refined tattoo machines on the market. The long battery life, smooth motor, and stroke adjustability make it perfect for long, demanding tattoo sessions. Pros: real 7 stroke length adjustment, large 2000 mAh batteries, excellent motor stability, professional grade build quality. Cons: expensive, overkill for beginners. If you want a high-end professional tattoo machine with maximum performance and endurance, the Mast Fold 2 Pro is a top choice. Thanks for watching. All the tattoo machines featured in this video are linked in the description below. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tattoo gear reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next one.